evening, this is Varsa. I welcome you all in Rebel News India. Let's have a look today's top headlines of Bihar.
A proposal for combined campaign in the upcoming Bihar Assembly polls digital as well as physical is under active consideration of Election Commission of India. A senior officer of the poll panel said the assembly polls are due in the state in October-November this year. The ECI is learned to have decided to take a final decision on the mode of campaigning for the polls after July 31. The deadline set for the political party to offer their views on the matter. Amid the explosion of coronavirus cases in Bihar, the state government on Monday brought in 1991 batches IAS officer Pratyay Amrit to take the reins of State Health Department as its principal secretary. This is the second transfer of the top officials in State Health Department since the COVID-19 pandemic began in Bihar. On May 20, the state government had transferred Sanjay Kumar, a 1990 batch IAS officer, to Tourism Department as principal secretary and replaced him with Uday Singh Kumawat. Bihar Health Minister Mangal Pandey had reportedly complained to the Chief Minister that Kumawat was not listening to him. COVID-19 cases crossed at 41,000 mark in Bihar on Monday, with 2,192 fresh cases reported in 24 hours, taking the tally to 41,111. The state also registered 6 official deaths, including 2 from Patna, taking the toll to 255. The number of active cases now stand at 13,010. The day's maximum number of COVID-19 cases came from Patna, where 437 people tested positive for coronavirus. However, with 4,171 recoveries and the death toll reaching 39, active case stand at 2,857 in Patna. As per information shared by the State Health Department, 14,236 samples were tested in the past 24 hours, and so far more than 4.7 lakh samples have been tested. The department stated that 1,536 people have recovered in the past 24 hours, taking the total recoveries to 27,844 and the recovery rate now 67.7%. The number of flood-hit people in 11th North Bihar district increased from 14.95 lakh on Sunday to a whopping 24.43 lakh in last 24 hours, as the engineer of Water Resources Department were trying to plug the breaches in the retired line embankment on the Solan Gandak at 4 places in Bankipur block of Gopalganj district. WRD is also on alert in West Champaran, Gopalganj and adjacent district following downpour in the catchment area of Gandak in Nepal. Water Resources Minister Sanjay Kumar Jha said the discharge from Valmiki Nagar barrage in West Champaran is likely to surge from 2.20 lakh cuseck as on Monday evening up to 3.72 lakh cuseck in the next 24 hours. The conceded the Buri Gandak and the Bagmati river remained turbulent in Khagaria, Begusrai, Darbhanga district.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.